안녕하세요 everyone, this is Gia. Today we'll be making kimbap using asparagus and bulgogi. Many people ask me that how to make kimbap and that they failed in making it. But if you keep a few tips, you can easily make kimbap in your house. Let's get started. I'll trim the asparagus. Cut the root part for about an inch. We'll not be using this. And lightly peel it. But if it's too tough, you'll need to use a peeler. Lightly salt the asparagus. It's not going to get easily seasoned, so wet your hand and roll it so that the asparagus can be seasoned with the salt. Set this aside for about 5 minutes and I'll cook them. Add a little bit of cooking oil and we're gonna grill the asparagus. Add the rice to the bowl and season with generous amount of salt and a big splash of sesame oil and thoroughly mix. You need to do this step when the rice is still warm. Let me tell you an important tip to make the kimbap in one portion. The portion of the rice should be about tomato size or a tennis ball size. So the warm cool down a little bit. I want to roughly make in a ball shape. What do you think? Similar size. Okay, this is the one portion. The seaweed that we'll be using to make kimbap. You'll need to prepare unseasoned kim. You want the shiny part down like this. Put the prepared rice in the middle. Okay, here's another tip. You want to lightly spread. Don't press it down. If you press it, the rice is going to get mushy. Evenly spread, moving your fingers, like you're playing piano. The rice is ready, and as you can see, you want to leave about 2.5 centimeters to 3 centimeters, which is about inch size on top and less down here. Now I want to place another half sheet of kim on top of it. Add the asparagus to it. So this kim helps to keep your kimbap fresh. Put prepared bulgogi along with the asparagus. Now, optional. For a kick, I'm adding a little bit of chilli to it. This type of kimbap goes very well with a little bit of mayonnaise. Now let's roll it. Lift your kim like this and using another 6 fingers, push it down, and then you want to tightly roll it, pushing down to you. And a little bit of water on top so that it sticks together and finish it. I'm going to sit this for about 3 minutes so that it gets together. Drizzle a little bit of sesame oil on top. Apply to your kimbap. Cut into 1 inch thick size. Here's my asparagus and bulgogi kimbap. Visually, it looks very appealing. It's green and brown and black and white all together. And I'll give you a taste. I like the crunchiness of the asparagus, and bulgogi pairs perfectly with asparagus. Thank you for watching, and I'll meet you on my next video.